सब्र का फल मीठा होता है। किसी भी चीज में जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है, अपने टाइम से सब कुछ होता रहेगा।
Hello everyone. Today we have with us a very special guest in our show Kahani Kalakar Ki. She is a beautiful actress endowed with an angelic charm, a graceful dancer, a model, an upcoming YouTuber and a social media influencer. She is an all-rounder. Today we bring to you the story of Chitranshi Dayani. Hey Chitranshi, how are you doing?
Hi Akash, I'm perfectly fine. You tell, how about you?
I am doing fine. How is lockdown treating you? Because it's something.
Um, Same way as it is treating you. So we who really love to work, for us it's little problematic. But I guess now we are trying to adapt. Yeah. So now I am working, but yes, with all the precautions.
So मतलब लॉकडाउन जब शुरू हुआ था तो इनिशियल डेज में how did you take lockdown? मतलब were you like normal life or was it just kind of a jolt, knee jerk reaction?
So let me tell you this. So I stay in Mumbai, okay, and in Mumbai it was like the peak was there of Corona and COVID and everything, and the lockdown is very strict there. So I was in Mumbai, and for like 21 days I was all locked up inside my house, and I was all alone. I learned everything from cooking, from washing utensils, from cooking. I mean, cooking, cleaning the house, and washing utensils. I learned everything. And then after 21 days, I got a call from one of my friends that, hey, Chitranshi, I'm leaving for Delhi from Mumbai. Okay. So she said that I'm leaving from Mumbai. Would you like to accompany me? So I said, how come? I mean, all the flights are closed.
Cancelled.
How come you are leaving? So she said, so I'm going by cars. My dad has sent a car and I'm going by car. And I was like, oh. And then पर एक वो हो गया था कि बस अब जाना है because I was missing my home so badly. So I arranged all the, all the what do we say that
Permissions and all.
passes. Yeah.
It
All
was
the
too
passes
many passes
and
are required at that time. Even
yeah,
now.
and first thing is that when we were coming from गुजरात so उन्होंने वापस भेज दिया उन्होंने बोला एंट्री अलाउड नहीं है आप जाओ एंड देन वी वेंट बैक टू मुंबई एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे क्योंकि अब हो गया था कि बस अब घर जाना है यार अब नहीं रहना है यहाँ पे
वो
अकेले
फीलिंग होती है.
सो देन वी अरेंज फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश पास एंड देन वी अरेंज फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश पास एंड यूपी पास और फिर हम बाय रोड 20 आवर्स की जर्नी करके वापस आए एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड मतलब
It must have been a hell of a ride.
yes indeed it was I cannot forget that time ever in my life I don't think so
I understand that. I understand that. So when we were planning this interview, we were trying to know you more as a person. So we'll start up right from the beginning. So how, matlab, your school life, your college life, just take it out, take us through your college and school life in a brief.
Sure. So I am from Ryan International School and born and brought up in Noida. I am a Pahari basically, but born and brought up in Noida. So starting से ही Ryan Noida में मैं पढ़ी हूँ. And from school days only, I was always on the stage dancing. I was a dancer. I'm a professionally trained jazz and ballet dancer and a classical trained dancer as well. So हमेशा से ही स्कूल में ये था कि मुझे कुछ भी फंक्शन होता था, I was there on stage. सो पीटीएम में जब मेरे पेरेंट्स जाते थे मीटिंग में तो टीचर्स कुछ बोलते नहीं थे बस वो ये बोलते थे वो बस मेरी डांस की तारीफ करते रहते थे मेरे पेरेंट्स के सामने और मेरे पेरेंट्स इतने परेशान हो गए थे कि प्लीज इसके पढ़ाई के बारे में भी कुछ बताओ हमें नहीं सुनना डांस के बारे में so it was like that and then in my 12th class I scored 96% in my boards so
That's
I was
more than me.
studious as well yeah so I was studious as well ऐसा नहीं है कि बस करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में ज्यादा फोकस था मेरा दोनों चीज बैलेंस करके चलती थी एंड उसके बाद आई गॉट अ रियली गुड कॉलेज किरोड़ीमल इट्स one of the best college of Delhi University and I did my English honors from Kirodimal and so right now I am doing MA I'm doing MA in English as well right now
God.
So this was my journey and then in college life I was always into acting I started my YouTube thing like I started working with Amit Bharana and then उनके साथ काम करते करते लोग जानने लग गए थोड़ा बहुत फेम मिलने लग गया, अच्छा लगता था। कॉलेज भी जब मैं जाती थी तो लाइक वहाँ पे काफी लोग मुझे पहचान लेते थे कि अरे हमने आपकी वीडियो देखी है।
Hmm.
तो उसके बाद धीरे धीरे फिर ये काम उसी तरफ ज्यादा फोकस जाता गया, एक्टिंग की तरफ।
So primarily speaking, if I narrow down your entire school life, you are a person with both digital fame and academic excellence at the same time. This is very rare
यस
to
यू
find.
कैन।
So मतलब
थैंक यू।
when did you मतलब first stage memory कब था और क्या था? Something that you could
सो
remember of.
okay, so actually the thing is कि बचपन से like from my Montessori I used to be on stage. um, M1 M2 जो होती है नर्सरी क्लासेस, तब से मैं स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करती रहती थी, डांस करती थी। जब कोई फेरी टेल का फेरी टेल कुछ डिपिक्शन होता था, फेरी टेल डिपिक्शन स्कूल में, तो उस टाइम पे भी मैं एक्टिंग में रहती थी, फेरी बनती थी, स्लीपिंग ब्यूटी भी बनी हूँ मैं एक बार। सो वहीं से ही सब कुछ स्टार्ट हुआ। उसके बाद आई नेवर रियलाइज दैट मैं हमेशा से एक्टिंग लाइन में जाना चाहती थी। बचपन से आई यूज टू वॉच माई सेल्फ ऑन द मिरर, और मैं ना डांस करती रहती थी मिरर के सामने, अपने एक्सप्रेशन देखती रहती थी। सो धीरे धीरे जब बड़ी होती गई तो मुझे लगा कि यस आई कैन डू इन एक्टिंग, समथिंग आई कैन डू इन एक्टिंग। तो वो अपने आप ही सब कुछ आता गया। So yes, everything was there in my destiny, I guess, I
Commendable.
suppose.
Commendable.
Yeah.
And firstly, many congratulations on your latest song, Punjabi
Thank you.
song that came out, Sarur. You featured as a
Thank you.
female lead. So how was your
Yeah,
experience working there with the team?
it was really nice. So the song is being produced by Speed Records, and it is one of the one of the topmost labels in Punjab industry.
True.
So काफी अच्छा था। पूरा गाना बारिश में शूट हुआ है, तो प्रॉपर पूरे 24 घंटे में आई वाज ऑल वेट। लाइक पहला शॉट जो था सुबह सुबह का, वो था 5 बजे का, और 5 बजे से लेके रात के 2-3 बजे, आई सपोज 2-3 बजे तक मैं भीगी हुई थी। सो बहुत चीजें गई उस गाने में, एंड इट वाज लिटिल टफ फॉर मी एज वेल, बिकॉज इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स भी थी। हमने सारे प्रिकॉशंस लिए थे शूट करने के टाइम, तो लगा था कि कहीं
So
तबीयत
it
ना
was
खराब हो
shot
जाए।
during Corona.
बट यस, आई टुक ऑल द प्रिकॉशंस। या जब लॉकडाउन खुल गया था उसके तब इट वाज शॉट।
Oh my God.
या
Oh my God. It definitely must have been a crazy experience.
या इट वाज
And secondly, the song is essentially framed around this concept of first sight romantic narrative. All right.
राइट।
So, what is your take on love at first sight? Briefly, do you think it happens?
I suppose it is there. Yeah, it happens.
Hmm.
It does happen.
The next question is, we know that you have been exploring a lot of destinations from time to time, as you have traveled from Switzerland, Paris, Shimla, and many more. Do you think every trip brings out a more fine essence of your personality when you meet new people, like engage in experiences? Does it really help a person?
Yes, right, it does. So I went to Europe last year, this time only. And there are a lot of things that I learned from those people. So we are Indians and we have some other environment, other upbringing. So बाहर जब जाते हैं तो अलग-अलग चीजें पता चलती हैं. So there are a lot of things that you learn by meeting other people. Not from other countries, not just from other countries, but from Indian people as well. If I travel to Manali, तो पहाड़ी लोगों से काफी कुछ पहाड़ी लोगों से काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। अलग अलग स्टेट जाते हैं तो अलग अलग स्टेट का कल्चर पता चलता है, अलग अलग स्टेट के जिस तरीके से वो रहते हैं, क्या खाते हैं। So they have like we Indians know कि हर जगह का खाना एकदम डिफरेंट होता है। So ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो एक स्टेट को एक अलग तरीके की एक इमेज देता है या एक नाम देता है। So truly we Indians are diverse. The India is truly a diverse country because मैं इतनी जगह घूमी हूँ और हर जगह से मैंने कुछ नया नया ही सीखा है।
Can you share us one experience that has been there with you forever? मतलब you learned or you experienced it throughout the journey?
Yeah, there are a lot of experiences in my life. जब भी मैंने travel करा है कुछ ना कुछ नया ही सीखने को मिला है. But there is one thing that I want to tell you and मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये पता चले. So last year I went to Dubai and I was just booking my cab. तो मुझे कहीं जाना था दूसरी जगह and I was new to this place. So it was like just the second day of my trip और मैं पहली बार दुबई गई थी. So मैंने उबर बुक कराई और उबर में जो ड्राइवर थे वो मुझसे ऐसी बात करने लगे because he was speaking in हिंदी. तो मैं भी हिंदी में किसी से कॉल पे बात कर रही थी एंड ऐसी बात हुई तो उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि कहाँ से हो आप. तो मैंने बोला कि आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया. तो ही सेड अरे वाह बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब इंडिया से कोई लोग आते हैं. तो मैंने बोला आप भी इंडिया से हो क्या. तो ही सेड नो आई एम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. So he said this and क्योंकि वहाँ पे काफी इंडियंस और पाकिस्तानीज और from these countries, Asian countries से काफी लोग वहाँ पे हैं. So he said कि I'm from Pakistan. So I said okay, wow, that's great and all. So he said कि मेरा ना बहुत मन करता है इंडिया में आने का. And I said कि अरे आप आइए ना कभी भी. तो बोलते कि हाँ जी मेरे ना एक्चुअली फैमिली पूरी पाकिस्तान में रहती है, मुझे ना दिल्ली घूमना है. He said मैंने दिल्ली के खाने के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना है, तो मुझे दिल्ली घूमना है और दिल्ली का खाना खाना है. तो उन्होंने मुझसे ऐसे ही पूछा कि आप क्या करते हो. तो मैंने बोला कि आई एम एन एक्टर, आई एम इनटू एक्टिंग. मुझे अच्छा कहाँ पे आपका क्या क्या करा है आपने. तो मैं उनको ऐसी वीडियोस दिखाने लग गई. सो उन्होंने बोला अरे इनकी तो वीडियोस बहुत देखते हैं हमारे यहाँ. मैंने बोला क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में ना यूट्यूब वीडियोस जो है, इंडियन यूट्यूब वीडियोस
क्रिएटर्स के
काफी
बहुत
देखी जाती हैं.
एग्जैक्टली
बहुत बहुत देखी जाती है. इनफैक्ट ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम ऑन माई स्नैपचैट इतने सारे लोग हैं पाकिस्तान से जो मुझे सपोर्ट करते हैं. तो वो लिखते हैं कि हाय मैम बिग फैन फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला अरे हम तो इनकी वीडियो देखते हैं, ये तो मतलब हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, शायद मेरी बेटी भी देखती है इनकी वीडियो. तो देन ही सेड कि अरे मैं पक्का देखूंगा. फिर उन्होंने बोला कि मैंने सब्सक्राइब भी कर दिया, अब तो मैं जब भी आप आओगे मैं पक्का देखूंगा वीडियो. मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, इतना अच्छा लगा वो सुन के. मतलब इट फील्स गुड,
appreciation
इट फील्स रियली गुड जब ऐसे या
true
राइट.
uh, then the pandemic has resurfaced the uncertainty of our age, as we all know. We all are now living in an uncertain life. Now more than ever, everyone is relying on artists to add cheer to their life. So but as an artist, how do you remind yourself to be hopeful and cheerful in life?
I guess being positive is the key to everything. So, in this pandemic, there were a lot of artists who faced financial crisis, who faced a lot of crisis in their life. I know the time is really tough, not just for artists, but for other people as well. I know that, and we all agree to that. But the only thing that we can hope for is being positive and for a brighter future. So things will get into place very soon. But till then, we have to be all positive and hopeful for the
True.
for the positive things to come into our life. So that is the key to everything in my life. I stay positive in all the situation. I know there are times when you feel really low. When I feel really low, there are times. But in that situation, I cry just for like 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and then I just talk to myself and I say कि ये situation it's okay, थोड़ी देर की situation है, सही हो जाएगी. And I try to stay positive as much as I can because that is the key to everything, I suppose.
True.
So yeah.
True. The next question is, if you weren't in the media industry, which industry would you have been and why?
I don't think
Pick
that
one.
I'm good. uh, I guess I might be in some HR department because I'm doing English honors and above that I'm doing MA in English. So I guess यही था क्योंकि मैं और किसी चीज में अच्छी नहीं हूँ, मैं सिर्फ एक एक्टिंग में अच्छी हूँ. मुझसे आप कैमरा फेस करा लो, ये जो थोड़ी बहुत नजाकतें और एक्सप्रेशन होते हैं मैं नहीं अच्छी हूँ और आई एम गुड फॉर नथिंग अदर देन दिस.
Talking about talent, what is your opinion regarding talent? Do you think someone is born with talent or blessed with, or is it something that you develop through rigorous hard work and discipline? What's your take on that?
There are few blessed people who are blessed with amazing talents. There are talented people who have that talent, that particular talent from birth. But if you have that determination, so I don't know if I have this acting thing in me from birth, but I have that determination that I want to do it. I know there are few parts that I cannot do. I don't think that I can do, the angry part in some film or in some acting sequence. I don't think so. But I know that once I am determined about that, once I am like, I have practiced that particular scene, I can do it. Maybe better than a person already having that thing from birth. I know that. I think that. So, two things are there. A talent from birth, but it's not important to be talented from birth. You can get it. You can polish that thing through practice as well.
That's really nice answer. And Nick, talking about the last question of our interview right before the rapid fire comes in, you have led a very unconventional career path till now. Many people didn't have, there was no written book कि इस career path में क्या क्या करना है. So it's considered as unconventional career path. So what's your one message to all those young dreamers who want to challenge the odds and beat the odds against them and basically go in pursuit of their passion? What is that one line message for them?
So just have faith in yourself. If you think that you can do it, you will do it. Just wait, just have patience. But if you have that faith in you, I am sure you are gonna rock your world. You are gonna rock your life. I know that. But अगर 1% भी ऐसे होता है कि यार अगर मैं ये नहीं करता तो शायद मैं कुछ और कर सकता था, या यार जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो सही है या नहीं है, अगर ये 1% भी आता है ना, तो फिर वो चीज करने से पहले ना अच्छे से सोचो, अपने दिल को समझाओ कि मुझे ये करना है एक्चुअली कि नहीं करना. लेकिन अगर दिल में कोई भी डाउट नहीं आ रहा कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा, तो गो फॉर इट. Just have faith in yourself. That is it.
Thank you, Chitranshi. I hope you loved the questionnaire. And now comes the most interesting part.
Yeah.
Now comes the most interesting part. There's a rapid fire. And so here we go. The first question. If you had to choose a title for a web series based on your life, what would that title be?
Okay. These are a little tough.
That's the reason why we didn't tell you.
Okay. Can I take time? Like, just to
it's
think
rapid
about
fire.
it? I know it's a rapid fire.
Whatever comes first in your mind.
So I would really like to play a serial killer, character. So something like Mrs. Serial Killer or Miss Serial Killer.
Or Miss Killer.
Or something like this, because I really like, it's my wish. Yeah, it's my wish to play something like that, a serial killer character.
You must need an advocate by your side forever then. So the next question is, who is the one actor or actress who you wish to share the screen space with? Could be Hollywood, anywhere.
Okay. So I really like, I'm inspired. Like there's no such inspiration as of now in my life. I look up to people, but अभी तक कोई ऐसा कोई है नहीं जो इंस्पायर करे. But there is one person जिनका मुझे काम बहुत पसंद है. I just love that person, and that is Akshay Kumar sir. I really want to share a screen with Mr. Akshay Kumar sir.
Oh, that's nice. The next destination in your itinerary, once this lockdown ends.
Maldives.
Oh, beautiful place. The place that you would like to revisit and explore again, that you have already visited.
Amsterdam.
Okay. Now you have to choose one: a rigorous hiking trail or a relaxed walk on a sandy beach.
Relaxed walk on a sandy what?
Beach.
Sandy street.
A dish that you would recommend, a must try.
Sandy beach.
Sorry, I'll come again with this question. A dish that you would recommend as a must try.
Okay.
Let's be quick.
Penny mushroom cream sauce pasta from Big Chill. It's my one of the most favorite dish.
Okay, I haven't tried it. Even I would try that. If you were given a choice, would you like to walk in the middle of a desert or explore? I'll come again. There's a lag over here right now. I'll come again. All right. If you were given a choice, would you like to walk in a desert, basically in the middle of a desert, or in the depths of an ocean?
I'm scared of water, but yeah, desert.
Oh, oh, take
I
it.
have some phobia with
Water.
deep oceans. Yeah.
If you had to switch your
Yeah.
wardrobe with somebody, who would it be and why?
I really like the style of Deepika Padukone. I just love it. I don't know, but I would like to switch my wardrobe with her.
And what is your personal style? Indian or Western? Pick one.
Yeah, Indian suit.
Okay, okay. Who is your style icon?
Yeah. My style icon, Jennifer Aniston from Friends.
Oh,
I just love her style.
okay. What is the one
Yeah.
thing that you miss the most from the pre-quarantine time? One thing.
Going out for movies. Going out for movies with friends.
Oh,
I just miss that.
looks like everybody is just missing spending time with friends. What has been your favorite indulgence during the quarantine time?
Netflix and chill. I guess सबका वही था.
Okay. What is your favorite quarantine snack that has been till now?
So I learned to make pizza and proper pizza, like with the base and everything. So that is the most favorite
So you became
quarantine snack.
you became a chef as well during the quarantine.
Yeah. And I learned to make cake as well. So I learned a lot of things.
That's really nice. What makes you the happiest?
My family. They are the most, the powerful people in my life. They are the most supportive people in my life. So yeah, my family.
Do you like cats or dogs?
Dogs, any day. I'm a big dog lover.
As we now know your preference when it comes to pets, can you tell us what annoys you?
People lying. I hate liars. Yeah,
Okay, and your
that's
go-to
the annoying
person,
thing, I guess, the most. Yeah.
your go-to person who has been a constant pillar of support.
My mother. Yeah, she is like the constant support of my life. My mother and my sister.
Okay, okay.
And actually my dad as well. उनको क्यों छोड़ूं?
So in short, your entire family. So let's keep it this way, your entire family.
Yeah.
Oh, great. What is the
Yeah.
best thing about acting?
You can give a lot of variations in acting. That's what I love. So you learn a lot. So with every character, you learn something. So I had this character, like I was asked to play a character of a very, arrogant girl in one of the videos. So उससे कुछ सीखने I learned an arrogant girl, how a girl who has, attitude problem, she talks and she smiles. So I really like learning through acting. So that's what I love the most. And also, it's like there are a lot of variations you can do in acting.
And a life lesson that has stayed relevant over time.
सबर का फल मीठा होता है. सो ये मेरी मम्मा मुझे हमेशा बोलती हैं जब भी मैं किसी चीज से दुखी हो जाती हूँ तो मम्मा बोलती है कि तू रुक ना, भगवान तेरे लिए कुछ अच्छा सोच रहे हैं. सो शी ऑलवेज सेज कि सबर का फल मीठा होता है विमी. ये बोलती है, उनकी लाइन यही है. तो वो एक चीज मेरे दिमाग में बैठ गई है कि सबर का फल मीठा होता है. किसी भी चीज में जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है. अपने टाइम से सब कुछ होता रहेगा.
True, very true. And finally, a one-line message for the entire talented Indian community from your side.
Okay, so firstly that you guys are like, so are you talking about my supporters or the people who are there in this line?
For everyone.
Okay, so this is for all my supporters. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much. You are, my support system. जो भी मैं हूँ, जैसी भी हूँ, आप सबके वजह से हूँ। आप सबकी वजह से ही मुझे आज इतना लोग मुझे जानते हैं। इंस्टाग्राम में मुझे काफी लोग जानते हैं, यूट्यूब के थ्रू मुझे काफी लोग जानते हैं। सो इट्स जस्ट व्हाटएवर इज देयर, इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑल, एंड आई एम फॉरएवर ग्रेटफुल टू यू ऑल। थैंक यू सो मच। ऑल्सो अगर आप में से कोई भी इस लाइन में आना चाहता है तो जरूर आओ। ये बहुत ही अच्छी लाइन है, बहुत ही अच्छी एक कला है एक्टिंग, बहुत अच्छी कला है। एंड बस थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, हर चीज में टाइम लगता है। बट अगर आप अच्छे से पेशेंस के साथ अपना काम करते रहोगे तो 101% आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा, जरूर मिलेगा।
Thanks, Chitranshi, for joining us. It was lovely hosting you. So yeah, I hope you had a great experience.
थैंक यू सो मच आकाश फॉर हैविंग मी। मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं कि मैं इंटरव्यू दे रही हूँ, मुझे लगा कि मैं ऐसे ही दोस्त से बात कर रही हूँ। बड़ा मजा आया। थैंक यू सो मच एंड लव्ड इट।
Thank you. Thank you.